In order to effectively use VirtualBox and Vagrant, you'll need to set up two networks on your local machine using VirtualBox. We'll go ahead and go through that here. One will be a NAT network, which enables DHCP. The other one will be a host-only network with DHCP enabled as well. The first one will allow you to access the outside world and download updates or other software. And the second one, the host-only network, is how you will connect to your virtual machine running on your local box. This is necessary. It's also helpful if you move between the office and home, because sometimes the office will give you a DHCP address, and then when you get home, your home router will give you a different DHCP address. So let's get started. Launch VirtualBox, go to Preferences, go to the network icon, and you want to click the Add button on the right. I already have one set up, so I'll show you what it looks like. You want to enable the network, give it a name. You want to pick an address. Mine just happens to be 10.0.3. Make sure DHCP is enabled. You can change that subnet to anything you want. The /24 means I have a whole class C, which is like 255 addresses that are usable. Next, you want to set up your host-only network. I have 3 of them. Click the Add button. I'll show you what mine looks like. I have an IP address of 10.0.2, and I have a DHCP server set up. That's at 10.0.22, and I say I can use all the IPs between .15 and 254. It's pretty basic. I'll go through it again real quick. That way you can see what's going on there. Go to the VirtualBox menu icon or menu link. Click Preferences. Go to Network. Click Add. You might already have one. If so, just click the little screwdriver there. Check the properties. Make sure it's enabled. Make sure it supports DHCP. Go to the host-only network. Make sure you have one set up. Make sure DHCP is enabled. Put in an IP address, and that's it. So let's go ahead and review what we have here. We have 2 networks that are set up. One is a NAT network with a DHCP. The other one's a host-only network with DHCP. One gives you outside access, and one gives you local access.